Look at that. So good. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to another one. This one's going to be a quick one because I'm hungry. What I'm going to be making is a venison smash burger. And I apologize in advance. We just had gotten a few weeks ago a puppy, and I have a 14-week-old puppy walking around right now. So if you hear me correcting Riley, it's not one of my childs, it's one of my fur babies. So we're going to get into it. I have half a pound of ground venison. I'm going to mix it in with Worcestershire, black pepper, salt, some garlic I'm going to mince up, onion I'm going to mince up, and I'm also going to leave some raw onion for my sandwich when it's all finished. And then I'm going to top it with some roasted pepper, multigrain roll, and I got some blue cheese dressing. The sauce I'm going to use is very simple. It's something I've loved since I was a kid, and I'm going to top it with, it's not here, but you will see it. It's going to be with A1 sauce. I made it last night for dinner. It was very tasty, so I'm going to actually make this again for my lunch. That's why it's not going to take long, because I am starving. So we're going to mix everything up in there, getting everything smashed and set. I like a lot of garlic. That's going to be what's going to be mixed in. That's going to be for the top of the sandwich. And then salt, like black pepper, and Worcestershire. Now, if you don't have fresh onion and garlic, I did this actually last night with granulated onion and granulated garlic. That one's going to be for my son. And that one's going to be for me. All right. That's going to be the bottom. It can't be too much of a carnivore, I guess. That's my dog hitting the tripod. I apologize. All right. We're going to use very high heat. So now we just got to wait for the cast iron to get hot. I love blue cheese. This sandwich is so tasty. And that's A1. Everybody's pretty much, I'm sure, at least I think everybody's seen A1. Now when you do a smash burger, you want the patty to be really, really thin. So you want to smash it extra wide so you can actually sear it. Pan's still not quite hot enough yet. That butter should have sizzled a little faster. So we're gonna wait. That's hot on that side. butter. Now, if you didn't want to do this over the heat, you can definitely use a rolling pin, a tortilla press, whatever you want to do. Now I'm going to divide the butter into two. Let it do its thing. Now that I'm looking at that patty and looking at my bun, I'm going to divide this into two. And we'll have a stacked smash burger. Oh, I can't believe the smell that's going on right now. Smash it some more. Smash it some more. Sorry, I'm going to turn on the fan. Turn down the heat a hair. And we are there. So, do you ever wonder how they melt the cheese on the burger without sticking it in the oven? I'm going to show you. So I'm turning off the heat. Heat goes away. This way you do it in your home. It's a controlled situation. You're going to get the lid. The easiest way to do it, a little bit of water in the middle, and you're steaming. Now it's been about 30 seconds. Look at that, ready to go. Now, all right, it is going to be time to eat. Yes, that's Puppy playing. All right, everybody. Puppy's getting restless. Time to take a bite and play with the puppy. Mmm. Mmm. So good. All right, see you soon.